Yo, what's up everyone? So I'm Mr. Hansri and today we're gonna talk about the Genose C19, the new COVID-19 detector. So probably all of us think, when is the end of this COVID-19? Because what? Because since this pandemic began, all areas are receiving the bad impacts as well. Let's take an example. When you want to go somewhere by plane or by any other vehicles into another areas, you must take a test before you are allowed to go into an airplane. So it's kind of annoying, huh? So today I'm gonna talk about this tool. In Indonesia, this tool is called Genose C19. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about the Genose C19 and the detail about it. So let's start then. So Genose C19 is a tool made by experts from Gajah Mada University, Indonesia, to detect coronavirus infection through exhalation or when someone is breathing. And in Indonesia, Genose has obtained an official permission to be widely used in all the region of Indonesia by the Indonesian Ministry of Health. Has your country known and used Genose as well? Please answer in the comment section below. Anyway, the use of Genose to detect COVID-19 disease through breathing has been used as an alternative health screening on various modes of public transportation during the COVID-19 pandemic. However, how effective is the Genose C19 test for detecting the coronavirus, and of course, how does it work? So, Genose C19 is able to identify the coronavirus by detecting the volatile organic compounds, or let's shorten it, becomes VOCs. So VOCs are known to be formed due to coronavirus infection and come out when someone is breathing. Research shows that people with COVID-19 produce higher VOCs than people who are not infected with the coronavirus. Actually, how does someone do it? So, in Genose test, the person who is being examined will be asked to exhale into a tube-shaped device. Then the sensor in the tube will detect the VOCs in the exhaled breath. And Genose takes about 2 to 3 minutes to detect the presence or absence of VOCs that could indicate the COVID-19 in someone. And for your information, 1 unit of the Genose device can do more or less around 120 inspections per day. And now we're gonna talk about the advantage of using Genose C19. So first, the test results are vast and do not require reagents or other chemicals as in the other tests. And the second one, it is relatively cheap and affordable. So in Indonesia, it costs around 15,000 to 45,000 rupiah, which in dollars, if it is converted, becomes $1 to $3. And the third one is it's more comfortable and friendly. Why I say it like this? Well, let's be honest. You see that picture? It is a PCR or swab test. Have you ever done a test before? I've done it, and to be honest, it's kind of unpleasant for me. It's a bit hard and I don't like it that much. While for the Genose test, I think it is much more comfortable. You just need to blow something. It is like when you are blowing a balloon, and that's it. It's done. Now, in the last part, we're gonna talk about the Genose C19 test accuracy. Actually, the Genose C19 has gone through a profiling test on 600 samples at many hospitals in Indonesia, and the results, it shows an accuracy rate of up to 97%. That's amazing. So in conclusion, The Genose C19 test is considered to be an alternative to detect coronavirus infection. Even though more research is still needed to ensure the accuracy and the effectiveness of Genose in detecting the coronavirus specifically. Why? This is because the VOCs detected in the Genose C19 test can also be found in the exhaled breath of people with other respiratory diseases such as asthma, lung cancer, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD. Therefore, diagnosing COVID-19 is actually not enough to rely on the Genose C19 test. Until this day, the results of PCR tests and examination from doctors are still the standard of diagnosing COVID-19, while other tests are only used for screening. As a screening tool, Genose C19, which was discovered by experts from University of Gajah Mada, is expected to help detect asymptomatic COVID-19 people so that the spread of COVID-19 can be minimized. However, regardless of the results of the Genose C19 test, everyone must continue to apply health protocols to prevent the transmission of COVID-19. Well, that's all I can say about Genose test. And if you have any question relating to Genose test, feel free to write it in the comment section below, and I'm gonna try to help you to find the answer. That's all from me, everyone. Thank you for listening, and lastly, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and goodbye.